Hi guys, today we
are making curry in a hurry.
We're making curry in a hurry. This is for you mums and dads that have come home from a busy day and want a nice warming meal that's going to be very quick to make. I've tried it. It is quick and it tastes really awesome. So this is what I do to make it really quick. Now, you can buy butternut pumpkin, but I actually just bought the bag of it. And I put that in the microwave for 5 minutes. And then I put the onions on the stovetop. So make sure you fry them off until they're like translucent, soft and brownish, okay? Once the onions and the pumpkin is done, everything else is very quick to do. Now the onions have brown and they're looking soft, as you can see. Awesome. There we go. Okay, so then you put the curry paste. I've put korma paste and I've mixed it through. And then you just add all the rest of the ingredients. So 1 can of tomato, pretty easy. Mix it through. I've just put a touch of salt. Yeah, I'll do that, darling. So put the coconut milk in there. Okay, the pumpkin. You put the pumpkin in. 1 came out, that's okay. And the lentils, look at that. And now I'm gonna let that come to the boil.
Curry.
You did have curry, was it delicious?
Yeah, kind of. It was kind of spicy for me. I was like...
It was a little bit spicy for you. So you can add less korma or less spice to it if you feel like it's too much. I find this is fine for me. Once it boils, I'm gonna simmer it. And in the meantime, I just get bags of rice. Put it in the microwave for a minute. And then I just buy bagged washed spinach, so it's done, ready to go. And I'll put in that last, so then the spinach is nice and green in it. And I'm just gonna let it simmer for a little while, just for a few minutes. Okay, now the rice is ready. So this is just coconut yogurt, just natural coconut yogurt. And I put about maybe 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of that inside the mix after I've simmered it for a little bit. Mix it through. Now I'm gonna throw in my spinach while it's simmering, and then I'll turn it down. How quick was that? Now it's up to you if you wanna let it simmer a bit longer or if you're happy with just that. I'm happy with just that because, to be quite honest, when we get home and the kids are home from school and stuff, everyone is hungry. So I'm gonna put some of that, but I'm gonna bring the bowl to there. Okay. Look at that goodness. So there you have it, your curry in a hurry. And I would even put... Okay, can you put a dollop here? There you go, put some on top here for Mama. Some coconut yogurt. Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay, we'll do it together.
I'm gonna do it by myself. Fancy salad.
There you go. So guys, enjoy the recipe. So go to the Facebook page, Mums at the Table, if you want more recipes, or mumsattetable.com, or you can find us on YouTube, Cooking with Gia and Olive, Mums at the Table. And there you have it, your curry in a hurry. Enjoy.